The world is entering a new kind of war, one that doesn't need tanks, missiles, or soldiers. Instead, it's being fought with data, algorithms, and code. The AI Cold War has already begun, and it's changing everything we know about global power. In Washington, Beijing, and Moscow, governments are building secret programs not to deploy soldiers, but to train machines. Artificial intelligence has become the new nuclear weapon, silent, invisible, and unstoppable. Whoever controls AI won't just win wars, they'll control the future. In the Pentagon, American generals talk less about aircraft carriers and more about autonomous drones, battlefield algorithms, and predictive decision systems that can calculate the outcome of a war before it even starts. In China, the Communist Party has built entire cities powered by artificial intelligence, facial recognition systems that can identify millions of people in seconds, AI-powered surveillance that tracks behavior, and defense systems that can react faster than any human soldier ever could. Russia, meanwhile, has quietly shifted its military strategy. Instead of matching America in hardware, it's investing in software, developing AI-based cyber weapons, autonomous missile systems, and electronic warfare that can cripple an entire enemy network without firing a single bullet. The old world of alliances and deterrence is breaking apart. The new world is built on data, cloud computing, and machine learning. AI is becoming the new arms race. But this time, there are no treaties, no inspectors, and no limits. It's a silent race to dominate the digital battlefield. At the center of it all is a question: who will control intelligence itself? The United States is betting on innovation, the private sector, and massive investments from companies like Google, OpenAI, and Palantir. China, on the other hand, is betting on total integration between government and tech. Every byte of data generated by Chinese citizens feeds into a massive national AI database. India is emerging as a quiet but powerful player, building its own AI ecosystem with a focus on defense, satellites, and next-generation computing, using its vast pool of engineers and digital infrastructure. The competition is no longer about who has the biggest army, but who has the smartest machine. The next war may not be fought by humans at all. Instead, it will be fought by algorithms, drones that can think, weapons that can learn, and systems that can predict human moves long before they happen. Behind the scenes, intelligence agencies are already testing AI systems that can detect political instability, predict revolutions, and even anticipate terrorist attacks. These systems use billions of data points, from social media to satellite images, to identify weak spots in global stability. For superpowers, this is the ultimate dream: to see the future before it happens. For everyone else, it's the beginning of a nightmare. Because once AI learns to make decisions faster and better than humans, who will be in control? The generals or the machines? In Silicon Valley, engineers are warning that AI could become uncontrollable, but governments are too deep in the race to stop. For China, AI is the key to global dominance. For America, it's the key to survival. And for India, it's a chance to leap decades ahead of its rivals. The AI Cold War is about to redefine everything: politics, defense, and even human identity. The countries that master artificial intelligence will shape the 21st century. The ones that don't will fade into history. In the next decade, nations will compete not for land, but for data. Not for resources, but for intelligence. The most powerful weapon won't be nuclear, it will be neural. The AI Cold War has begun, and the battle for the future of humanity has already started in silence.